and welcome to Prudent Media News. First, we take a look at the headlines. Baba Ramdev quotes arrested during his march on Parliament against black money, calls for nationwide agitation. Forest Department arrests 3 persons trading gumots made of monitor lizard skin, offence under Wildlife Protection Act. 20 gumots recovered. GCCI says over-activism by NGOs and so-called spirited citizens pushing investors away. Bureaucracy also moving slow on good business proposals. "28 vigilance cases against government officers still awaiting disposal. Many cases pending for more than 10 years. And tender not yet floated for Tilak Maidan despite necessary permissions and green signals. Waste of time may result in chaos in football schedule. And now the news in detail. Baba Ramdev courted arrest on Monday, and he was arrested by the Delhi police when he, along with his supporters, marched towards the parliament. Baba Ramdev was on a fast since Thursday at the Ramlila Maidan, demanding action from the union government to get the black money stashed in foreign banks to India. Following no response from the government on his fast, Ramdev has given a call of spreading the agitation nationwide. BJP and NDA parties have publicly backed Baba Ramdev.
The Yoga Guru and thousands of his supporters were stopped from marching to Parliament at the flyover about half a kilometer away from the Ramlila ground. Baba Ramdev began his protest camp against corruption and black money in Delhi 5 days ago. Meanwhile, the movement got political color when it was supported by BJP leader Nitin Gadkari and JDU leader Sharad Yadav. Baba Ramdev pointed out that his protest was peaceful and that he had cooperated with the administration. He has asked people to vote out parties that did not support his demands on black money and corruption during the 2014 elections.
मैं तो कहता हूं आदरणीय मुलायम सिंह जी, बहन मायावती जी, ये 2-3 राजनीतिक पार्टियां यदि काले धन के मुद्दे पर अड़ जाए तो सरकार एक दिन में ताश के पत्तों की तरह बिखर सकती है। हम ये मुंह पर जो पट्टी बांधी गई है, इसका अभिप्राय यह है, हम सरकार की गलत नीतियों का विरोध, हम जो काले कानून हैं उनका विरोध करते हैं और उसी के विरोध स्वरूप यह हाथ पर और माथे पर काली पट्टी बांधी हुई है। काला धन लाएंगे, काला धन लाएंगे, भ्रष्टाचार मिटाएंगे। सरकार की गलत नीतियों का विरोध करना हमारा लोकतांत्रिक और संवैधानिक अधिकार है। सरकार यदि काले कानून लगा करके हमें अपने मौलिक और संवैधानिक अधिकारों से रोकती है तो ये गैर कानून है, ये गैर कानूनन है, यह असंवैधानिक है।
ब्यूरो रिपोर्ट, प्रूडेंट मीडिया।
Forest Department has arrested 3 persons while trading gumots made of monitor lizard skin. It's an offence under the Wildlife Protection Act. Accused have been charged under this act. A total of 20 gumots have been recovered. Instruments used to trap the monitor lizard have also been traced. Forest officials acted upon the inputs given by Wildlife Crime Control Bureau in Mumbai. Vivek Prabhu reports.
The source of information was Deputy Director of Wildlife Crime Control Bureau, Mumbai. Informers said a Goan resident of Ponda indulged in selling gumots of monitor lizard skin. Forest officials raided a flat of Shrikant Naik Shirodkar, aged 41, a resident of Kurti, Ponda, and recovered 18 ghumats. Shirodkar was soon arrested. Seems like ghumats were ready for sale for upcoming Savat festival. Further investigation exposed another person in trade chain. Gajanan Kothambikar, the proprietor of a music store at Disk Ponda. Forest officials recovered 2 ghumats from his shop. He was also arrested. But the roots of chain aren't in Ponda. It's Valpai. Lizards were trapped in Karanjor in Valpai Sattari. Rajaram Gowde has been arrested in this connection. He was found with a metal cable wire, a head torch and a battery.
तांबडी तुका ते सुटेबल एनिमल पडटा आनी तेका मारप वो ते कॅप्चर करप तेजें ट्रेडिंग करप तुका मिनिमम 3 years इम्प्रिजमेंट आहा आनी मॅक्सिमम फायन 25,000 रुपीज आहा.
Seems like this was a preparation for trading during upcoming Savat. Though Ghumatgas forms integral part of Goan Savat and the Aartis, killing monitor lizard isn't definitely an option, with synthetic skin options now available for Ghumat in the market. A reporter from Ponda, Vivek Prabhu.
Industrialists are reluctant to invest in Goa, though the Chief Minister is actively taking steps to get infrastructure and reforms in place. State bureaucracy is not responding to the proposals. The over-activism by NGOs and the so-called spirited citizens have pushed investors on the back foot. The Goa Chamber of Commerce and Industry has also stated these reasons behind stagnated investment and the lost confidence. Watch this report.
The scenario on the state industrial front isn't encouraging. Investors have lost confidence. The issue is serious and needs to be tackled on priority. Sanjay Srivastava has made these remarks in Prudence head-on. Goa Chamber of Commerce and Industries fully agrees with the senior bureaucrat but blames the state bureaucracy and its attitude. Raw water supply proposal for Verna Industrial Estate is a typical example.
रावणफोंडाच्यान ते उदक हांगा हाडपा खातीर एक स्कीम एस्टिमेट करून घेतलो पास करून घेवपाक ताणें खूब वावर केलो पूण आतां म्हाका कळून आयला की त्या ब्युरोक्रेसी टँगलान भितर अडकून उरला आनी अजून फुडें पावना ताचें टेंडर जायना. आमचे सीएमाचे जरी एक कर्तूब असलें की बेगिनान बेगीन करचें पूण ताका ब्युरोक्रेसीचो आधार जाय पडटा. म्हाका दिसता हें बेगिनान बेगीन जर ब्युरोक्रेसीच्या हातांतल्यान सुटावो जावन कामाक जर लागत जाल्यार 3 म्हयन्यांनी आमकां तें उदक थंय पाविल्लें दिसतलें आशिल्लें.
GCCI President says Goa Pollution Control Board takes 3 months to issue environment clearance certificate, a job which takes 8 days.
गोवा स्टेट पोल्युशन कंट्रोल बोर्ड पयलीं वेळा भितर एक टायम बाउंड शेड्युला भितर सगळी NOC दिताले आनी रिन्युअल्स बी सगळी बेगोबेग जाताली. आतां ताका म्हयन्याचे संख्येनी दीस लागपाक लागल्या. म्हाका दिसता हें आळाबंदा हाडूंक जाय आनी ताका एक खंय तरी लिमीट आसूंक जाय. एक टायम बाउंड शेड्यूल आमी करून घेवंक जाय. म्हाका हें बोर्ड मिटिंगेन घेवपाचें आशिल्लें पूण ती बोर्ड मिटिंगूच पोस्टपोन जाली आनी आमचे जायत्या मेंबरांची कंप्लेंट्स आसा की म्हयन्या संकणी तांचे NOCच मेळना म्हणून. म्हाका दिसता टायम हॅज कम टू पूट अ सिस्टम इन ऑर्डर, especially in this pollution control board.
Over-activist NGOs too are being blamed for it.
खुबशे उद्योजक गोंयान येवपाक कचरतात, भियेतात कित्याक हांगा NGOs खूब उबे रावतात आनी प्रत्येक हाका सुरू करतकीच मागीर नाका म्हणटात. म्हणजे इन्वेस्टमेंट भितर वतकीच मागीर नाका म्हणटात. हें गोंयच्या बाबतीन एकदम बदनामी करपा सारकें आसा आनी त्या खातीर लोक हांगा येवपाक कचरताले. हांगा एम्प्लॉयमेंट जनरेशन जायनाशिल्लें आनी आमचे भुरगे एम्प्लॉयमेंटा खातीर जबरदस्तीन भायर वचचे पडटाले.
Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar may be toiling hard to improve Goa's image, but his appeals to investors won't bear fruits until industry finds a change in the attitude of state bureaucracy. With video journalist Tendra Gankar, reporter Mahesh Ghadi for Prudent Media.
More news when we come back from a short break. Stay tuned.